Introducing the MV7412, our latest solution for transmission fluid handling. Utilizing the power of shop air to generate the pressure or vacuum needed to quickly service transmission systems. This kit includes all the accessories needed to perform a transmission service procedure on most common vehicle models on the road today. The adapter set was recently updated to include 3 new adapters to service a wider range of newer vehicles. The unit features a convenient flow control valve and button for quick selection between vacuum and pressure settings. Top includes a combination pressure and vacuum gauge, and safety pressure relief valve to regulate reservoir pressure or vacuum and prevent overpressure situations. Operation is very simple. Tighten down the reservoir top, select, then connect the recommended dispensing adapter to the dispensing hose and hose to the reservoir. Select your method of fluid handling, connect air supply, then begin service procedure recommended for the vehicle. The new MV7412, just one of our many popular fluid handling products available for both professionals and DIYers alike. Visit our website today to learn more.